Begin by getting into a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you right now. And when you're ready, softly close your eyes and begin to draw your awareness inwards. Tuning into breath and body, inviting gravity to do its job as you release and relax any muscles you do not need to use right now. And allowing your breath to become extra gentle and nurturing. Being fully aware of all the muscles you use as you breathe in and out, tuning into the sensations created by your breath. Letting a sense of gratitude wash over you for your breath, how it's always there for you. There's nothing you need to do to prove yourself worthy of it. As you take comfort in this feeling, connect into your breath and body. Just continue to allow yourself to stay present as you listen to the following messages, allowing them to feel true for you, for your highest, most loving good. You are right where you need to be for your highest, most loving timeline that is in alignment with the highest, most loving timeline for all. Indeed, you are lining up with the highest, most loving possible outcomes for you that also line up with the highest, most loving outcomes for everyone, everything, every place, every living being, even the earth itself. There is a timeline where we are all harmoniously in the highest, most loving possible place we can be. Feel into the knowing that this is not only a possibility but something you are on the direct path of. Using your imagination, allow yourself to feel the feelings of being in your highest, most loving timeline, in alignment with the highest, most loving timeline for all. How good does it feel? Give yourself the gift of relaxing into it, as if it is the easiest thing in the world. This is more a job for the heart than the mind. Say thank you to yourself for being here. If you feel called, you may give yourself a warm embrace. And either way, take your time as you slowly open your eyes back to the world around you.